yeah, it went well, my interview. Ikaw, well eh. Parang usap-usap lang, no? Yapping session. This time outside. If this time makakaroon ako ano, ng chance for it. Holo body. Ay, awa de puta. Hello. Yeah, today I did the gym. Well, as I received the news of my election, or like my failure to get the position that I can expect to happen, I am in denial that I went to the gym. Yeah, I kind of realized, should I even use the other clip that I do? Or, no, fuck it. Let's analyze cafe. I might eat there, like, occasionally, or like, kapag may special occasion, o kaya kung putang ina, hindi pa ako na parang puta, yaw, di puta. Ngayon, asa na lang ako, Fortesta, and that bougie Instagram place. Maging pro boxer ako. Prize fighter, to be specific. Yeah. Oh, ino ang bubo ko na yun. So, ano yung kabubuan nangyari sa akin ngayon? Well, I was out doing my freaking errands to buy like some things like one, gas up my tricycle, two, buy some sugar, white sugar and brown sugar for culinary street. And lastly, buy potatoes and bananas because my little bro asked for it. As I was doing my errands, I passed by the bougie ramen shop that I applied for was open. I thought was open. Yeah, I was like, tanga, kung hindi ako like, yeah, I gotta feel I was not, hindi ako natanggap. So why not eat there as a customer? But I fucking realized, hindi pa sila bukas. They were still preparing. Akala na kita ko sa Arpulid, May 30 or May 31. My brain deprived of breakfast said to itself, siguro May 31 na yun. Tangina, May 30 pala. May 30 pala. Ayan, nahiya ako sa hili ko. And I entered, kasi I think, yung pala, they're not open. Well, of course, I had to, had to panic. I said, akala ko bukas ganun. And, out of, sheer panic, kasi, also nag-apply ako dito. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna get that position, Sana talaga. And also, they're playing that song by, Illicit, Magnetic. So yeah, that is now a core memory of cringe in my brain. There's a pre-work. Okay, this is the fourth time I'm recording this. Okay, for me to keep it simplified, this week has been good, pero it doesn't, for me it felt like failure because I am unable to get myself employed. I am going to have to place my bets on the government something like the TESDA, Government Education Assistance, technical something, yeah. Ayoko talaga magtrabaho sa like fast food, like corpos, like maybe the one corpo that I might work for in fast food, maybe the Cloud. Hello, now it's gay month, buddy. Ito ang sanhi ng paggamit ko ng clicker job ng ilang beses sa heavy bag. na nakala ko light, yung pala hindi. I had to patch at the heaviest spot and now I'm regretting my decisions already. Tangina, sana hindi mapahamak to pag-boxing ko sa Lunes.